Good afternoon, everybody. It's Woody from Panhandle Brakes. Got some mail in today from Tops. I do not know what I ordered. Oh, yes, Gypsy Queen. I ordered these probably 3 weeks ago. So, yeah. Here we go. It's a hobby box. First time opening these. All right. See what happens. Rookie Seth Peer. Wander. Springer. And got 2 rookie cards. Bruhan. Bloody. Andrew Vaughn. Doctor. Rookie. Chapman. Newt Bar. That's my second autograph from that guy. Lars Newt Bar. Yeah. At least I got an auto on card. That's better than nothing, I'd say. Second stack. Verdugo. No, that's no a different card of Verdugo. That's cool. There's two different kinds. Mookie Betts. Javier Baez. Rookie. Cruz. Otani. Ty Cobb. Judge. Let's see. All right, that's the second row for that hobby box. Dude, I think I can open up faster packs than anybody online, dude. I swear. Especially this Gypsy Queen. Everybody's super slow on them. Like, oh, I'm having trouble. My nimble fingers. Yeah, bro, get a job. Let's go lift some weights. Yeah, Duran. We got a blue one coming up. See what we get. Garrett Cole. 3 out of 150. Brian Hayes. Vasquez. De La Cruz. Okay. Brujan. Tejada. We got a blue one. Oh, we could get it. I have to sign it?
Yeah, you have to sign it.
Sign it for me. Just put Rosalind. Oh, we got more cards coming in. Trying to go fast on this one. I gotta go sign it. Gray. 250. Curla. Yeah, that was my goddaughter. She's so shy. And I got 2 autographs in that box, guys. That's pretty dope. Yeah, Rosalind.
What'd you get?
Got some cards. put it on there. Or,
Oh, it's from
Tops?
yeah.
Yep. Finally got all my Tops cards coming in, guys. This is dope. Who's this guy though? Drew Ellis. 23 of 99. Damn, I got 2 autographs and one hobby box. That's not bad at all. See what we get in the second hobby box. Yeah, my goddaughter just brought me the other box. I ordered some Bowman blasters like a month ago for Tops. Tops sends their stuff real late. It says 10 to 15 days after your purchase. And yeah, that's just Tops, man. That's just New York being New York, I guess. That's where they send it from. All right, here we go. Posh Mint numbered out of 150. Cruz. Gotta go fast here. What's this? Pete Alonso. Home run champ. Duran. What is this? DJ LeMahieu. Oh. Hell yeah. I don't know what this is called, but yeah. I'll take in the New York that's hot right now. They might win the World Series or go to the World Series. They're so hot right now. But season's too early to tell. It's over 160 games. Hank Karen. I'll put this one, tech card right there. Rookie. Pettis. Really. Alright, here we go. Sheets. Just Chisholm. Cronworth hit a home run last night. Snell. He's got some hot stuff, man. Yeah. There we go. Vladdy. Chrome. Caposano. Verdugo. There you go. Rookie. What is this? Why is the damage? Oh, yeah, that corner. Alex Mano. Pitcher. What is that? Tops. Issue. Neil Cruz. Bueller. Raleigh. Wander Funko right there. Pieces of whatever that is. All right, last 8 packs. We'll go quick on this. Taking too long, I think. Those 2 hobby boxes. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Subscribe. I'll be opening up some Bowman here in a bit. I just gotta remove my address on off the label before I open it up. I always like to open it up, the whole box, for how I get it. All right, here we go. Meadows, Andrew Vaughn, Chrome, was it Shane Bass? Yep, that was. It's not bad. Tatis, Serpa, Machado. You gotta show love to Machado, man. He's having a great year this year without Tatis. Garcia, Chapman, Aguilar. All right, and Marsh. Oh, Tops. What does it say? Top certified autograph issue. Wow. The other ones don't say that. Only a couple. Oh yeah, all of them do. Mike Canna, outfielder. So I got 2 autographs on each box. That's pretty dope. I'm happy with that. And then we got a blue one. I gotta go back and check if any logo swaps or jersey or whatever. I know that Verdugo one was different. It was yellow. This is a different one. Low. It might be this one. All right. Check out all the. Hit that like button. subscribe. My name is Rudy from Panhandle Brakes out of Texas. Thanks for watching.